Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Amal. Welcome to my humble home. The idea here is to show you guys how to make Shabakaya with no folding, with no hardship, as you see right here. We come up with an idea for you guys to show you and teach you how to make it very easy and simple. Please do follow and share and subscribe and show us some love so we can come up with more videos like this for you. Love you all. First thing is first thing you need 4 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, about 2 slices of lemon or oranges, optional. You can also add 1 tablespoon balsam water. You put it on the heat and let it boil and cook over an hour until it's nice and thick, until you get the honey consistency. You will see in a minute here. Then you will put to the side before starting our Shabakaya. Bismillah, ala barakatillah, and let's start. As you see here, our honey started to boil. Our lemon slices are turning in color. Now we will have to remove them out of the honey and then put the honey to the side, as I said, and we continue from there. And these are our ingredients for our Shabakaya. Bismillah ala barakatillah. And let me show you how we grinded all these beautiful spices and what they are. Here's 1 tablespoon of anise. It smells so good in here. And look at that. I'm going to use the fennel seed. Also 1 tablespoon. Also give it a good grind. Mystica, I will also grind just a little bit, like just for the flavor. There we go. Just right there. This will be the 1 cup of sesame seed. We're gonna grind that also. All right. Bismillah ala barakatillah. We will start with the sesame seed that we grinded. It's exactly 1 cup. We grind it into fine paste. We're gonna add it into our blender. And then we have 1 exactly cup of balsam or water. And it's warm, so I warmed it up. 1 exact cup of tap water, also a little warm. 1.5 cups. We have also 1 exact cup of butter, melted unsalted butter. We have 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Yeni seed that we grinded, almost 1 tablespoon, or mystica. Seed that I also blended together with the gum, mystica. Fennel seed, also mixed together. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Also 1 tablespoon of vinegar. We are not using eggs in this Shabakaya today. So 1 tablespoon vinegar. Also 1 tablespoon cinnamon, but my husband is allergic, so I'm not gonna add it. It's up to you. You can, normally it goes in, but I'm not gonna add it so that he can eat with us as well. And here we will combine our wet ingredients with our dry, which is the mixer, and the 4 cups and 1/2 of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. Don't forget your baking powder. And we don't have any eggs in this Shabakaya. Mix until nice and smooth, until nice and lenient. The dough should be very nice and firm, not too soft and not too hard, so that we will have that Shabakaya that we are looking for. We're gonna edge it, all right? We're gonna do this. Make sure you're gonna get that pretty each corner. So basically it's going to be a nice big square. And if you have any question, I'm gonna try to answer. Moroccon Shabbakya for you guys. With no worries, no folding, no hard time, no drama whatsoever. There we go. Your eyes is your measuring. My eyes are always my measuring. I always let my eyes measure for me. There we go. As you see, some is bigger than the other, but you can have it skinny, thick, fat, whatever you want. I want it just like this, as you see. Again, guys, I'm sorry I didn't come yesterday live. I'm really sick. I got a cold. And still, I know it's Ramadan. I promised some of you guys to teach you how to make Shabakaya from scratch. One on top of one, 3, 4, or you can do 5. Just like that. Squeeze the ends, squeeze the ends, cut the extra, and just voila, just like that. Very easy. Anyone can make Shabakaya, guys. Perfect. Again, you take 4 of these, you take 4 of these, and you just go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can increase, you can add 5 if you want, but I think 4 is just perfect. Squeeze the ends and push in the middle. Squeeze the ends and push in the middle. This is easy teaching how to make Shabakaya with no hard time. Anyone can make it. Make your own Shabakaya, my dear sister, especially us, the ones that live outside.
Also, that magical ability is similar to a fairy or demon. The question is, do they exist? Old stories